Dear students, you know that I am going to perform your first practical. That is, you know that the various parts of the flower. You have to know that every plant having two parts. One is you know that they are vegetative parts, and other is the called they are reproductive parts. So in plant, the reproductive part is the flower. So we have to study that is what is flower. You know that the flower is the reproductive parts. Okay, and basically you know that induced flowering plants are called the flowering plants. So first of all, we will study the parts of the flower. This is the, you know that is the flowers are there. Flowers having the basically four important parts. That is the petals. That is the colored part of the flower. This is the petals. This is the colored part of the flower. And sepals. Sepals, yeah, you can say that calyx. That is the green part of the flower. This is the green parts are there. This is the green part. That is called the sepals. They are also photosynthetic in nature. And petals, you know that is the colored part. You know that due to the presence of plastid, it is colored. Basically, you know that why it having the colors, it having the, you know that to attract the bees, to attract the insect, to perform the pollination. So petals are the colored part of the flower. Then most important part is that is the androecium. That is called the male part. Androecium is the male part, and this is the biological signal of the male. This is the biological symbol for the male. Androeciums are made up of two things. One is you know that anther, and the other one is the filament. So where is the androecium? That is the androecium. It is made up of you know that is the small anther along with filaments. That is the small anther and along with the filament. That is the male part of the flower. You know that is the male part of the flower. And if you you know that gynosium, the gynosium is the female part of the flower. Gynosium is the female part of the flower, basically made up of stigma, style, and ovary. So if you dissect this flower, so you are able to know that the female parts. Inside there is the female part of the flower. This is the female part of the flower here. That is the female parts. Okay. On dissection, you find the female part of the flower. So we will just dissect it and get the female part of the flower. And you know that male and female parts are responsible for the fertilization to produce their gametes. Dear students, that is very simple. That is the female part of the flower. That is the female part of the flower. Okay, that is ovary. That is you know that style, and that is the stigma. So this is the female part of the flower. Okay. So in diagram I will show you. You have to just perform in practicals. You have to dissect the flower and arrange their sepal, petals, calyx, and androecium and gynosium. Okay. So this is your first practicals. Okay. And other I will just explain it. That is the flower. That is the base of the flower called thalamus. जिस पे आपको flower रखा होता है. That is the stalk. If you keep the flower by the stalk, and other thing is the you know that is the colored part called petals, and that is the male part, that is called anther, that is called filament. Okay. And that is the sepals. This is the green part. Photosynthetic part, that is called the sepals. Okay. And next time is the ovary. That is called ovary. That is the ovary. So you know that already. You know that what is the petals and what is sepals. I am just making the male parts and female parts. Okay. This is the flower, and I am going to make the male and female parts. So first of all, I will make the male part. Male part, you know that made up of two things. One is the filaments, and other one is the pilot anther. This is the anther, and that is the filament. Okay. This is the male part of the flower. ये दोनों को जब आप साथ में लेते हैं anther, then you can say that this is called stamens. या also can say that androecium. Okay. So anther, if you cut the anther, yes, we will perform in lab. We will just cut the transverse section of anther. So if you cut the anther, you are able to see this structure. They are having the four chambers are there. These are the four chambers are there. Okay. And inside every chamber there are pollen grains are produced. And these pollen grains, you know that I have also made the structure of the pollen grains. This is the pollen grains. Outer layer जो था pollen grains हो गया, वो that is called exine. Inner layer is called intine, and that is called the male gamete. That gamete will fertilize the female part. Okay. And that is called the tube nucleus. So this is the male part of the flower. Okay. Simply you know that. And now I am going to discuss about the female part of the flower. So female part, you know that is made up of that will just make the ovary stigma, and that one will be the style, and that is the this is the swollen parts, that is called the ovary. अब मैं आपको बता दूं, आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन, जब फर्टिलाइजेशन इसमें हो जाता है तो दिस ओवरी कन्वर्टेड टू fruits, and inside the ovary there are a structure like this. This is called the ovules. This structure is called the ovules, and these ovules is converted to seeds. When after fertilization, when these pollen grains fall on this stigma, it will fall on this stigma, and it will start growing, and the male gametes are able to fertilize here. Because inside the ovule there are the female gamete, and this male gamete fertilize to make the what? Zygote. Okay. Now I will have to discuss the that ovule. This is the ovule. This is present inside the ovary. This is the ovule. Okay. This is the ovule, beta. This is the ovule. Okay. That is the ovule. Inside the ovules there are the different types of cells are there. 3 cells are here. 2 will be here, and 3 will be here. This is the ovule. And ovule, you know that ovule converted to beta seeds, मैंने अभी आपको बताया. Okay, and that is called integuments. This is called the integuments. Integuments मतलब seed coat बन जाता है. Integuments, that is called outer, and this one is called inner. So this is called the integuments. Integuments. Okay, integuments. That will be called integuments. After fertilization, these converted into seed coat, testan technique. Seed having the seed coat, that is called the testan technique. Inside this, that is called the polar nuclei. This is called polar nuclei, 2 in number. Okay, and that is called antipodal cells. Okay, and this is called the what? Egg. ये सबसे important है, egg fertilize करके zygote बनेगा. And these two along with egg, that is called the synergids. This is called the synergids. And this is region. From this region, you know that the pollen tube will inside enter from this region. ठीक है ना? This is the, suppose that this is the pollen tubes. This is the pollen tubes, and that is the, you know that is the pollen grain. Suppose that, so pollen grain generate these male gametes goes to this region and fertilize this egg. So this is the pollen tube. This area where the pollen tube will enter, that area is called the micropyle region. This is called the micropyle region. So this is the main structure of the flowers. This is the basic parts of the flower. Flower is the reproductive parts. You know that, and you know that I have already you know that एंजियोस्पर्म के बारे में मैं आपको ऑलरेडी पढ़ा चुका हूँ. ठीक है, तो you have to just know that this 4